Hi, Heli. How are you?
Very good. How are you?
I'm good. So, all your fan pages and fans are very excited. As soon as I announced we are doing a live with you, they have just jumped in and they have so many questions for you already. So, firstly, tell me, how are you coping up with this quarantine period at home?
I'm good, yaar. I'm trying to keep myself calm as
Yeah.
much as I can, and I'm not freaking out. I am
Yeah.
cautious about things around, and I'm more careful these days in terms of, um hygiene and other things as well. अगर बाहर से कुछ सामान लाना है, then too. So, yeah.
Okay. And tell me something about your show. Your show is going to come. And when is it coming and details about it because we are all very excited.
Yeah, I don't know. Once things get normalized and we able to sort of
Yeah.
resume things, तभी launch होगा because पहले date आ चुकी थी, but obviously because
Yeah.
कोरोना वायरस एंड ये सारी चीज़ें तो इसलिए फिर डिले हो गया है एंड आई थिंक इट्स गुड ऑल्सो आई मीन वंस सारी चीज़ें ट्रैक पे आ जाए उसके बाद हम अच्छे से लॉन्च कर सकते हैं शो को.
Okay. Someone's asking, okay, Helisha Admirer, I think that's your fan page. They are asking,
Yeah.
tell about your cruise traveling experience.
Cruise traveling. Okay, so for people who don't know, for Ishq Mein Mar Jama, we had this schedule on the cruise. तो हम almost 4-5 दिन cruise पर थे and then we shot like bunch of scenes and a bunch of sequences. It was a nice experience, yaar, but I have seasickness.
Oh.
Major issues है मुझे तो मुझे इतना मतलब I was trying to cope up with that more. And but otherwise I think it was fun. The schedule was so hectic that हमें उतना time भी नहीं मिला कि हम क्रूज पे थोड़ा एंजॉय कर ले या हम एक फुर्सत से बैठ के हम आसपास देख ले कि भाई है क्या क्या चल रहा है कितना अच्छा है. वी एक्चुअली डिडंट गेट टाइम ओनली. हम इतना ज्यादा बिजी हो गए थे उसमें कि एक पॉइंट के बाद हमें ऐसा लगा कि बस अभी ना हमें बाहर उतरना है बिकॉज वी वर in the cruise for 4 days and that's too much
Yeah.
यार. That is too much. आप जमीन नहीं देख रहे हो, आप बस पानी के बीच में हो and you're not even enjoying, you're shooting. I mean,
Yeah.
like yeah, कोई ऐसे breather नहीं था but it was fun. It was a nice experience.
Okay. Another fan here named Nitu Kas is asking, do you miss filming Swaragini?
No, I mean, yeah, every show has a journey यार.
Yeah.
मतलब जो show शुरू होता है वो खत्म होता है and every show has this nice phase जिसको आप enjoy करते हो and I mean I don't miss it. I mean I'm really grateful that I got to be a part of that show and that show has given me a certain recognition I think
Yeah.
for all of us actually and yeah, it's popular in a lot of countries also,
Yeah.
just not India. So it's a nice feeling. I mean, I don't miss it, but yeah, I'm grateful.
I can see that there are fans from Indonesia, Nepal. So many people I can see are sending love. So,
Yeah.
Heli, tell me something. People nowadays, I'm seeing on social media, everyone's cooking, working out, and doing all sorts of things at home. How are you killing your time at home?
I'm doing nothing. I mean, I'm just right in front of my TV, Netflix, and I'm just, watching my series and stuff like that. I'm not even cooking. I'm not even uh, like doing other things. I mean, I'm not painting, sketching, whatever. A lot of people are doing it, but मैं सिर्फ अपनी TV के सामने बैठी रहती हूँ. And I mean, I'm not. ऐसा मुझे ऐसा कोई अफसोस नहीं है. आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल्सो वेरी प्रोडक्टिव थिंग फॉर मी. या मैं और कुछ ऐसा दूसरा कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ.
Okay. And someone here, okay, again, Beauty Helisha, I think that's one of your fan pages, is asking, say something about your first short film, Happy Birthday.
Oh, मैंने बहुत कम बोला यार about Happy Birthday, but that film's also very close to my heart because that's my first ever short film. I've spoken very little about it, but it's gone to a lot of film festivals and a lot of other festivals also, जहाँ पर बहुत सारे awards और बहुत सारे recognition मिला है, and I also received a Best Actress award for the short film, and it was a really nice it's a really nice short film with a nice message. दो बहुत I think release नहीं किया है अभी तक, but वो होना चाहिए sometime soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, someone called Khushi2899 is asking, please ask her how she got the role in Ishq Mein Mar Jawa 2. Okay, they're asking that.
How I got the role? I mean, see, I was in Ahmedabad. If I'm not wrong, मैं ना मकर संक्रांति उत्तरायण celebrate करने गई थी वहाँ पर, and yeah, I went there to spend time with my family. बहुत time हो गया, तो also Sufyana got over, and then I was like कि चलो अभी सब हो रहा है, तो अभी मैं घर जाऊँगी. And I got a call, and they were like क्या please urgent basis पे आ जाओ. And then I was like I can't come. I mean I've just come. मतलब मैं आज ही पहुँची और मुझे आज ही call आया है. So but then somehow हमने बात की, and then they were like please आ जाओ, and then I agreed कि चलो ठीक है मैं आती हूँ. Then the other day I went back and look test and mock shoots and stuff like that happened, and in 2 days they told me ki, yeah, I mean that's how it is.
Welcome to the show. Okay. That's
Yeah.
great. Okay. And Heli, as I can see, there are a lot of people who want to, chat with you and have a conversation and ask you things. So I want to ask, during this period when you are at home, are you getting more time to sort of interact with fans on social media?
See, I've done a lot of live chats like these.
Yeah.
So also I think that's a great thing to sort of be in contact with, fans. कि उनको क्या पूछना है, क्या जानना है, and then you can just have a little bit of conversation through you guys, and I think that's a great thing too. My fans are really, asking me कि Twitter पे chat करना है, but I'll do it soon. And I think time मिल जाता है और ज़्यादा, to sort of scroll down and see their messages and see their edits and all of those things, क्योंकि वो लोग इतनी मेहनत करते हैं यार. मतलब I think it's such a good thing to even एक्सेप्ट इन योर लाइफ कि आपकी लाइफ में इतने सारे लोग हैं कि जो अपनी लाइफ का इतना टाइम निकालते हैं आपके लिए, एंड कुछ ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं करते हैं वो लोग इन रिटर्न. सो या तो वो मिल जाता है टाइम.
Okay, so Heli Diaries, another fan page is saying, Hela, congrats for 9 years on tele industry, and another fan page called Khushi_Heli_Holic is saying, tell about your 9 years journey.
My journey has been nice, beautiful, satisfying, I would say. And yeah, thank you for your wishes. I recently completed 9 years. I mean, it just feels
that's a lot.
थोड़े दिन पहले ही शुरू किया है या पता नहीं कैसे शुरू कर लिया, but yeah, it feels nice. I'm glad कि at this point in my career I'm able to choose projects that I want to do, and and I've been very choosy, honestly. मैं बहुत एक point के बाद, मैं स्वरागिनी के बाद मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा choosy हो गई थी, and I want to be like that only. I want to be very particular about what kind of projects I choose and what kind of shows I do, because I think that's what I am, and that's kind of work I want to do. So.
And now a lot of actresses from television are stepping into Bollywood. So do you also have any plans?
Yeah, I mean, why not? But ऐसा कोई मैं किसी चीज का मैं प्लानिंग नहीं करती हूँ ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज
Okay.
फॉर मी व्हेनेवर आई प्लान सर्टेन थिंग्स दे जस्ट डोंट गो द वे आई प्लान. आई मीन
Okay.
इट्स विद मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आई फील
Yeah, it
एनीवे,
is true.
बट या कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग रहा एंड कुछ चैलेंजिंग रहा जिसमें मुझे पता है कि मेरे लिए करने को है कुछ, then of course मैं जरूर करना चाहूंगी. And apart from that also I think next thing that I have in mind is web also.
Okay, yeah,
But that's
web.
obviously that's going to be after Ishq Mein Mar Jawa only. Not now, but yeah, that's there in my mind too.
Okay. And just one message or something if you want to tell your fans about taking precautions during this time, because like the nation is in this crisis right now. So if anything you want to send across.
यार आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ एंड पैनिक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दिस इज़ द सिचुएशन जो हम बहुत जल्दी ओवरकम कर जाएंगे एंड वी ऑल विल गेट थ्रू दिस वेरी सून, प्रोवाइडेड वी ऑल स्टे इन आवर हाउसेज एंड डोंट रोम अराउंड. तो प्लीज़ घर पे रहिए. कुछ एक्टिविटीज, कुछ चीजें एक्सप्लोर कीजिए जो आप पसंद करना जो आप करना पसंद करते हो. एंड या आई थिंक सबसे बड़ी चीज ये है कि पेशेंस रखिए एंड डिप्रेस, पैनिक, ये सारी चीजें अपने आसपास भी मत आने दीजिए. आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ वी गोइंग टू गेट ओवर दिस.
And one fan of yours named Shikha is asking, what will be the first thing that you will do once the lockdown is over?
I'll go to my gym.
Okay.
And I'm also waiting to go to my set and start shooting. I mean, yeah, but
So here, Heli. Okay, Heli, there's a fan page called Heli My Jaan. Okay, that fan page is asking, hello, Heli, your music video, please tell something about it.
म्यूजिक वीडियो यार अभी मैं कुछ बता नहीं पाऊंगी, बट जैसे कुछ होगा या जैसे हम लॉकडाउन के बाद करेंगे तो सबको पता चल ही जाएगा.
Okay.
Avika is saying hi. Hi Avika, how are you? Where are you? Somebody is asking workout from home. मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ यार. Honestly, I'm not doing. Like I'm trying really hard, but नहीं हो पाता है. Like it's very.
And are you binge watching any show?
That's what I'm doing. I told you in the starting only ना कि मैं
Yeah.
सिर्फ अपने टीवी के सामने बैठी रहती हूँ. I switch on my Netflix and बस मैं वही देख रही हूँ. I'm right now finishing up with Breaking Bad.
Okay, that's
And और भी मैंने बहुत सारे शोज एक्चुअली देख लिए. मतलब आई एम वॉचिंग टिल द एक्सटेंट कि मैं एक दिन में 15 एपिसोड देख लेती हूँ.
That's
too much.
Nice. Yeah, that's too much. Okay, so someone named Noori is asking skincare tips.
अच्छा, okay. हैदराबाद. Okay, अविका. See you soon. ये लॉकडाउन हो जाए खत्म, उसके बाद hopefully I'm going to see everybody. Everybody's going to see everybody then.
Yeah.
But skincare क्या मैं क्या कर रही हूँ या उनको क्या करना चाहिए?
नहीं, आप क्या कर रहे हो अपने स्किन केयर के लिए?
कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा ध्यान दे रही हूँ. a little extra. I am drinking a lot of water. मैंने 3 दिन से मैं नोटिस कर रही हूँ कि मैं ज्यादा पानी पी पा रही हूँ घर पे. Because also I think see I don't want to end up eating a lot of things, a lot of junk while watching Netflix. तो मैं पानी का बॉटल हमेशा साथ में रखती हूँ. तो you end up drinking a lot more water.
Yeah,
so I think that's a good thing too. So this bottle is always there with me, my Coco bottle. तो ये 4-5 लीटर हो जाता है मोस्टली, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स अ गुड थिंग, वरना नहीं पी पाते हैं. सो दैट ऑल्सो रिफ्लेक्ट्स ऑन योर स्किन. एंड दूसरा मैं थोड़ा सा ज्यादा टाइम देती हूँ अपनी स्किन को, मतलब मॉइस्चराइज भी अगर हम नॉर्मली करते हैं तो भी मैं ध्यान दे के मॉइस्चराइज करती हूँ, या यू नो, अदरवाइज हमें इतना टाइम नहीं होता यार, हम ऐसे ऐसे लगा के निकल जाते हैं, बट दैट्स व्हाट आई डू, बट आई गिव अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा ध्यान टू माई स्किन। फेस पैक वगैरह मैं यूज कर लेती हूँ क्योंकि अभी मुझे पता है कि मेरे पास टाइम है, सो वो थोड़ा बहुत देख लेती हूँ, उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट आई थिंक दिस इज इनफ।
Someone named Akshay D is asking who's your favorite contestant in Big Boss. So did you follow Big Boss 13 this season?
No.
And any plans of entering the house?
No, yaar. I mean,
No?
not now.
Okay.
I can't play mind games.
Mind games.
नहीं
Okay.
खेल पाऊंगी मैं।
So lastly, any positive message or any message for all your fans? I see so many of them sending so much love for you.
I just want to say thank you everybody, and और क्या बताऊँ यार, अभी लॉकडाउन है, हम सब घर में बंद है, तो स्टे पॉजिटिव, और तो ज्यादा मैं कुछ कहना नहीं चाहती, मतलब पेशेंस रखिए, एंड स्टे हेल्दी, ईट हेल्दी, यूज योर टाइम प्रोडक्टिवली, फैमिली के साथ बातें कीजिए, अगर आप अकेले हैं तो कॉल कीजिए, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ऑनलाइन गेम्स जो आप खेल सकते हो, सो डू दैट, एंड देयर आर कपल ऑफ मोर एक्टिविटीज, सो वो सारी चीजें करिए, एंड ये जल्दी ही सारी चीजें खत्म हो जाएगी, एंड देन हम काफी कुछ कर सकते हैं उसके बाद।
True. That was great talking to you, Helly. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Be safe.
Bye.
Yeah.